Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me, device with iOS 18, and now I'm gonna show you maybe not all, but most of new tips and tricks on this operation system. So of course, the first change, this is the new AI-powered system, includes intelligent Siri, automatic summarization of messages and emails, and reply suggestions, called Apple Intelligence, so AI. But unfortunately, I can't show you it because in my region it doesn't work. Okay, cool. So message enhancements. So the message app now supports RCS protocol for better communication between iOS and Android devices. And now, if you chat someone who use Android devices, you can even see does he read the message or not. Okay. What about control center and redesigning elements? As you can see now, control center looks different. Here we have different connection panel. Here, for example, it looks better, and you don't need to press, for example, like on Android 17, iOS 17. So you should press and hold, and here you have the panel. Then, for example, press and hold Bluetooth, and only now you can you have access to Bluetooth devices. Now here, just click on it and click on Bluetooth. It's easier and better. So I really love this new feature. As you can see, here we have normal triggers. I don't know. So it didn't change. And what I like new change here is different screens on control panel. As you can see, here we have the music screen, so here we can change the music, and here we have network screens. Of course, all of these screens you can change in settings, or here just clicking on plus button, so you can click add control and add new controls, for example. It's really a cool feature. So Apple really make the system more customizable. Home screen personalization. So in iOS 18 you can freely place up icons and widgets on the home screen and change their color. For example, I'll show you it right now. So for example, click customize, and you can change appearance of your screen. So yeah, it looks strange, and maybe I don't like it, but maybe it will be good for someone. And of course you can change the size of icons, and if you use large mode, so you have no text here, as you can see under the icons. Cool. New passwords app. So, and this is really cool feature. So sorry. It's really cool feature because here you have all passwords, passkeys. So for websites like Google that uses passkeys, for example, codes, Wi-Fi passwords. So here you can check Wi-Fi password for any connected Wi-Fi network. So yeah, you can do it even in iOS 17, but you need to open Wi-Fi, edit, other networks, click, and then in this menu you can check the password. But now it's easier. Security issues you can check, and deleted passwords. So you have trash bin for deleted passwords. It's really cool. Of course, you can create a share group to share passwords with your family, for example. So it's really cool new feature. Okay. Improvements in Mail and Safari. So Mail has a little different visual design, and Safari has a little different visual design too, as you can see. but it's not big change. Journal and notes. So a new journal app allows you for diary keeping and goal tracking. So goal tracking now available in journal. And notes, I like it. Notes now supports transcribing. So just open notes, click attach, click record audio, and for example, right now I will talk about something, and now as you can see I'm recording the audio, and now when I click OK, then done, I can as you can see here I have transcript of my audio right here. It was really fast, as you can see, and really I like it. So it's really cool feature. As you can see, we can enable it, we can disable. So okay. Additional security and privacy features. So there is now the ability to lock and hide apps, control access to contact for apps, and improve privacy settings. But it's not the end. It's not the end. We just got new features, new accessibility features. So I think this is really cool accessibility feature. So for cancelled people who has problems with moving, so they got eye tracking. Unfortunately, this feature works only in one position. So for example, I can set it up only in this position, for example, and when I will use this device only in this position, and my head will be only in this position. But of course, maybe they will fix the positioning problems because it's just a beta version of iOS 18. But now I can track my eyes, and I can, when I enable in dwell control, I can click on something without using my hands, just using my eyes, and it's really, really cool. And of course, control nearby devices and other cool features for riding and other features in accessibility. So I need to record a new video for accessibility. So here, as you can see, we have reduce motion feature. This is new feature, and vehicle motion cues. So dots. So disable it, and as you can see here we have dots. So dots appear near the edges of phone screen. They follow the movement of the vehicle and may help reduce motion sickness. You can turn them on and off in the control center, of course. So it's really cool. I don't know does it work or not, of course, but as we can see, it moves, and maybe I think it can help to reduce movement sickness. So it's really cool feature too. And maybe that's it from me. These features for me are the best. Of course, you have more cool features, new cool features on iOS 18, but I think those features are the best. So thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please leave a comment and like this video, and write in the comments which feature is the best for you and which feature you waiting in stable iOS 18. Thanks for watching, and bye.